Apple has finally unveiled its biggest Siri upgrade ever at WWDC 2026, and many people are already asking one question. Can the new Siri compete with Google's Gemini? Today, we're comparing both AI assistants to see which one comes out on top. For years, Siri was seen as lagging behind modern AI chatbots. But Apple is now introducing a completely redesigned Siri powered by advanced AI models. The new Siri can understand your personal data, see what's on your screen, control apps, and perform complex tasks across Apple's ecosystem. Meanwhile, Gemini has already established itself as one of the most capable AI assistants for writing, research, learning, and content creation. So, which AI is better? Let's break it down. When it comes to writing and creativity, Gemini has a clear advantage. Gemini can generate blog posts, YouTube scripts, articles, emails, social media content, essays, and even creative stories from scratch. It also helps users brainstorm ideas, create business names, develop marketing campaigns, and organize content strategies. Apple's new Siri introduces system-wide writing tools that can draft text, rewrite emails, proofread content, and even adjust tone based on the recipient. While Siri's writing abilities are impressive, Gemini remains the stronger choice for content creators, students, marketers, and professionals who regularly create long-form content. This is where Apple's new Siri starts to shine. The upgraded Siri can understand your personal context across messages, mail, photos, notes, and calendar. Imagine asking Siri, "Find the restaurant my friend recommended last month." Or, "What was my hotel confirmation number?" Siri can locate that information instantly. Gemini can provide information and answer questions, but it doesn't have the same deep integration into your personal Apple data. For users heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem, this could be a game changer. Apple is pushing Siri beyond a simple voice assistant. The new Siri can perform actions across multiple apps. For example, it can edit photos, send files, create reminders, write emails, and automate workflows using a single voice command. You could simply say, "Set my morning alarm based on tomorrow's first calendar event." And Siri handles everything automatically. Gemini can suggest workflows and provide instructions, but Siri's direct control over apps gives it a major advantage in productivity and automation. Another major upgrade is Siri's visual intelligence. The assistant can understand what you're looking at on your screen in real time. If a friend sends you information about a recipe, Siri can identify it and save it to notes without requiring you to switch apps. Using the camera, Siri can identify places, analyze food, translate text, and provide useful information about objects around you. Gemini also offers image analysis and screenshot understanding, but Apple's tight integration with iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Vision Pro gives Siri a unique advantage for real-world interactions. So who wins? If your priority is writing, learning, research, content creation, and brainstorming, Gemini remains one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. But if you're looking for an AI that understands your personal information, controls apps, automates tasks, and works seamlessly across Apple devices, the new Siri could be the most advanced personal assistant Apple has ever created. The real winner depends on how you use AI. Would you choose Gemini's intelligence and creativity, or Siri's deep integration and automation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PkRevenue YouTube channel,